Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate is back. Got another good video for you. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get step-by-step training on how to build a quality email list completely for free. And not only that, once you complete the training, you're actually going to get 100 clicks, which is 100 visitors to your own landing page, your own site, completely for free. So you can start generating some sales and possibly even make sales for free or just from completing the training. If you don't know what a landing page is, don't worry. You'll find that out when you complete the training because you're going to make one during this training. All right, so before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can get these videos as soon as I post them. Now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and get going.
All right, so I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. So all you have to do is go to the link in the description and it'll bring you to this page here. All right, and as you can clearly see, it easily says 10 easy steps to build a quality list that will make sales as early as today. Now, this is a quality list. I don't know if you've never built an email list before. There's a big difference between a email list and a quality email list. You know, if you have 10,000 people in an email list, but none of them are buyers, or you have, 1,000 people in the email list, but, a good percentage of them are buyers, I'll take that 1,000 list over the 10,000 any day because, buyers is what's important. The people who are actually engaging with your email and are interested in, doing whatever it is that you're promoting, those are the people who you want to be in contact with and have on your list. So this will actually teach you how to build a quality list. And not only that, you also get instant access to a free Facebook group with a ton of support. And I can tell you from my personal experience that I gain a ton of support from this Facebook group. And here's the biggie right here. You get 100 free visitors just for completing the training. Okay, now what that means is it's basically like a free solo ad of 100 clicks. So you're going to get 100 people that are going to click on your link and get to see your landing page that you're going to build through the training and have the opportunity to see whatever offer you're presenting and have an opportunity to make sales and then make commissions. All right, now you also get web pages, the full email system, the pre-written email swipes, free advanced training. All of this is so much more, completely 100% free of charge. Now I'm just scroll down here. Once you come to this page, you want to watch this video. It'll explain a little bit more in detail. But when you're ready to get started, you just go ahead and click that button right here that says I'm ready to start building my list. Now, this is completely free. As I said, you can start making money from your list as early as today, and that is completely true. You can go through the training in one day, have everything set up, and actually start making money in the first day. And this is for anyone. That's no experience needed. It's completely free. It's newbie friendly, and there's absolutely no strings attached. So, I'm not going to go over this complete website for you, but I wanted to introduce you guys to it. You scroll down some, and it has someone like the YouTube testimonials of people who have went through it and made money. I might be on there. I'm not sure, but. This it's really easy. It's 100% free, and like the amount of value that you get from joining this group and taking this training. I mean, I can't believe that it's free. I can't believe they don't charge, at least $50 or $100 or something for this training. But it is all completely legitimate, 100% free, no strings attached.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Didn't want to make this a really long video. I just wanted to introduce you guys to a website and show you how you can really start getting some really good free support and some really good training on creating and building the email list. And I mean, I can't believe that you actually get 100 clicks for free, but I went through it myself and I did get 100 clicks, and it was quality clicks and quality visitors to the site. So, if you haven't already done that, go ahead and go to that link in the description. Again, it's your boy, Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate, signing off. As always, wish you guys much success no matter what you do, no matter what you're going through. Just keep pushing forward. Dreams do come true.